Hello friends, this is Vidhi and today I'm going to create a label design. We can call it a special offer tag design. First of all, I'll select freehand tool here and just you can also use 2-point line here, but I'll use freehand tool here. Just click here, drag it, hold control and click here. You'll get a straight line here. Then single click, place this pivot point at the lower end of this line and just rotate it to 15 degree 15 degree, then press right click to create a copy. You can decrease this angle if you want more objects around these lines. Now I'll select freehand tool, or you can press spacebar to switch between the tools. Then just click on this line edge here, click on this edge, drag it, hold control, then rotate it 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, rotate to 45 degree. We'll get a 45 degree rotated line here. Then select this line and drag it like this and place it here. Press right click to create a copy. See, I'll increase this length from upper side like this. Then I'll use smart fill tool to fill color here, fill color. Then I'll delete this line and this too. I'll change the color of this to navy blue color, dark navy blue, and just press Ctrl and rotate it to left side and then right click to create a copy of this. Then I'll change the color of this to light blue color, navy blue, light navy blue, and this is dark. I'll select both the objects, group it, and then I'll remove the outline of this. You can also remove outline from here. Click on none here and single click. Place this pivot point at the lower end of this line like this. Then hold control and rotate to 30 degree. This is 15 degree and this is 30 degree. Press right click to create a copy. Then press Ctrl R to repeat this step. Now I'll delete these lines. Okay, select all and group it. Now I'll select smart fill tool and fill color at the center. Remove outline of this and select interactive fill tool and drag it like this. Then change the fill to elliptical fountain fill. Drag and place it at the center here. And now I'll change the color. Select this. You can also change the color from here, but I'll select this color itself. This color, navy blue color, and then select this color and change it to dark navy blue. And select the dark shade from this. Okay. Then select this object, click on smooth here, smooth blending. Select all and group it. Then you select, type any text here. I'll type special offer here, special offer. Click here, press enter. Select this text and click here, center, alignment, center and bold. Then select this text, select this object, press A and C for horizontal and vertical center alignment, and I'll increase the size of this. Hold shift and increase the size like this. I'll change the color of this to white. These are the small letters. If you want to change it, then go to edit text, select the text, go to options, change case, uppercase, okay. Okay, decrease it. Then select extrude tool. Just drag it on text and change the extrusion color from here. I'll click on solid color and change the color to, I'll use blue, this navy blue color, deep navy blue color. You can change this in any direction like this, extrusion. If you want this side, then this, like this or like this, wherever you like. Okay, then you can't apply direct drop shadow to this text. You have to select it like this, then group it, press Ctrl G to group it, then you select drop shadow tool and apply drop shadow to this text. Adjust the opacity and feather. I'll make it 5, feather 5 and opacity 60, and drag it like this. To get a 3D look. Okay, select all and group it. So it's done now. If you have any doubts related to this, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.